Hello all. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to install Tableau desktop in our local machine and license activation for students and how to install the previous Tableau versions. So now let's go to Tableau website. So the first topic that we are going to discuss, how to download the Tableau from Tableau website. So we need to go to tableau.com. Yeah, we need to start free trial. Go to the bottom of this web page and you will see Tableau desktop, Tableau prep, and Tableau server. So as a developer, we need a Tableau desktop. So just click on this download. So click on download free trial. So automatically the file will get downloaded. So I'll just show how to install the Tableau desktop. So I have already downloaded one of the Tableau desktop. So I'll just install this one. Click on the license agreement. Click on installation. Say yes. Okay, so this is the main page and you will be able to see all this information and you need to register while installing the desktop. Okay, so once the registration is completed, so you need to click on manage product. So as I have a product key already entered in the location, so it is not showing the for the trial version. So whenever you install, it will show you will have 14 days of trial version. And if you want to, if you have any key, you can enter in the manage product keys and uh, you will get the access. So if you don't have uh, key and all, so you can get the student version key. So to get that, you can type in Tableau student license. Get Tableau for free. So you need to enter some basic details of your college or school. So you have the ID card has to be like you have to be a student ID card who is currently studying, and you need to upload that ID card, and you will be getting license to your email ID. So once you get your email ID, you need to go to the help button and click on manage product keys, and you will be able to enter over there your license, and then you will get access to the Tableau for 1 year. Then you can start using this Tableau desktop for 1 year. And currently I have 2022.3.5 version. So whenever you download, you will get the latest version. So just now I have downloaded. So I got the latest version, which is 2023.1. So if you want to download the previous versions of Tableau, so type in Tableau versions. So you can see the previous versions. So here you can see what are the features that are being added in the new release, and you can download the previous versions as well. So you can click on any of the release notes and you can see what are the changes that are happened in that release, and you can also download whichever version you want to download. So once you click on this, so you will go to a page where you can download Tableau Desktop for Windows or Mac machine. Yeah, so this is about how to install Tableau Desktop in your system and how to activate for with student license, and how to download the previous Tableau version. Thank you. Happy learning.